Hi, my name is Elise and I'm the Vice President of Partnerships at Codio. Codio and SEO have partnered to create an interactive learning experience for the SEO Tech Developer Program on Codio's CS Education platform. Codio combines research-backed tools specific to computing with evidence-based pedagogy to effectively teach students the technical skills they need. The curriculum strategy for the SEO Tech Developer Program has 3 different pieces. The first was we wanted to address skills frequently not taught in courses, but that were desired by industry. The second was creating hands-on content that scaffolds students from exploring small examples of concepts to larger collaborative projects that ask students to synthesize what they've learned. And finally, allowing students authentic applications of concepts, which we mean to be interacting with real industry APIs and data, all the while building a portfolio of interesting projects for when they go on to apply for jobs. This looks like 3 different phases. We wanted to start them from a context that they're familiar with in school, something a little more individual and smaller scale, building up to the end of the program being larger group-based projects. This also affords us the ability to make sure that everyone has really demonstrated those hard technical skills before collaboration begins. We wanted to provide students the opportunity to use a variety of software tools that they're going to see in industry, such as version control, project planning, breaking down big things into little tasks different people pick up, and this idea of hosting and deploying code to remote servers. Also, we wanted them to see a range of different testing and build programming schools not emphasized in school, such as following a particular style guide, considering nitty-gritty pieces like error handling, memory, and performance, all the way to the collaborative skills of code reviews and writing documentation. We finally wanted students to actually learn how developers think about putting big pieces of code together, this like architectural kind of thought process. So everything from databases, which they may or may not have had a course on, to really being able to understand the trade-offs of their decisions for how they're going to do different interactions between these pieces of code. And finally, when they have to start making decisions about what to integrate, being able to talk strategically about why what they chose is different in an important way from the other competitors, the other choices they could have made. Finally, throughout the program, we're going to look for a few different outcomes to make sure that students are on track. We at first want to see that students can learn new languages quickly. Then we want to see them building longer form, more complex projects, all the way to collaborating on context-rich code bases, much like what they'd see in industry.